Blessing, my people. Big up on yourself, you know. Don't know the thing, don't know it's a new link there, you know, my people. Giving thanks to life as usual. Don't know. But right about now, people, boy, I have a really sad thing to talk about. You know, say, more people see me and they say new link, a be a sad news to talk about, a be a killing to talk about in Jamaica, but you know, don't understand. You get me? I say, we have to make the message go out there, we have to make the word go out there. It's not like say, yo, we are trying to make the thing look bad, power with country or nothing like that. You get me? I say, because these news has publicized out there, and you think new link that's see the news and get the news them at times being. Come on, man. You know what I mean? So no feel no way when we are talk or we have to talk. You get me? I say, people, because some of them things that strictly have to talk about. We can't see things like them here and not try to talk about if the government or anybody can find a solution how to get rid of these things and whatever they can do. Because right about now, people are going to talk about this thing, and it's involved where a 32-year-old man was killed yesterday, people. You understand? Today is how much? The 10th. Right now is the 10th. So that's yesterday, the 9th of November, people. In Kingston. You get me? As a people right to Ugly Park Road, and this man is 32 years old. Because it is said that, people, this man was walking. You understand? Walking normally on the sidewalk thing. When a man bounce up on him, people come up to him and say, yo, give me your phone. See? He resisted. To give the man the phone, people, and boy, them say the man just take out him piece and shoot the man. Kill him. You know what I mean? Grab the phone and gone. Just look into that, my people. You know what I mean? We know what many people gonna say right now, say, yeah, he should have give the man the phone. A man come for your phone, give him the phone. You understand? But it's his phone. I feel it, you know. Me know, yes, you would have give him, I would have give him, of course. You know what I mean? But I feel him phone at the end of the man phone. You know what I mean? So him resist. And he don't give him the phone and him shoot him and kill him. Go with the phone now. How much that phone value? It value 50 million? It value 10 million? It value $1 million? It value $500,000? It value $250,000? Me sure no I say enough all of that value that money. And you take the man life like that, you piece of something right now. You know what I mean? Wherever you are right now, if you're watching this video right now, you know, from New Link Production, you know. And what I want to say to you right now, listen what me I gonna say to you now. Zane, that phone where you have, how you feeling yourself right now, you have that phone. I want to look back into yourself with that phone. Even if you plan to sell it, how much money can you get from this phone? You understand? I said, if you plan to sell it, how much money can you get for this phone? In the end, how you feeling yourself? If you know, say, because of your cowardness and your stupidness and your foolishness and your dirtiness, right? You kill the man over his own things. How much the phone value in yourself? I know a stolen phone, and even if that phone value say 50,000 or did you sell or 30,000, you maybe are gonna sell it for 15,000 or $10,000. You understand? And you take a man life like that so easily. You know what I mean? You're a waste for Jamaican society, and people like you need to get rid of. That's why when Mr. Summer Uno, you know, you understand Summer Uno who are growing under them stupidness, yeah, man, yo. When you get it, you know, you link the surf on, you know. Me celebrate you, and get it, you know, when them beat it upon you, you know. I mean, a straight attack for you. Not joke with my attack right about now, because I feel it, people. This 32-year-old man, for him own phone, as me said, me know everybody are gonna say, yeah, me know other people, me know my fans them go, me know other people go, right? Yeah, I'm should I give him the phone? Yeah, give him the phone. But in the end, it's his phone. You know what I mean? You know right to take the man phone? No. You take the man phone, right? How you feel? You kill the man. Now we're there. You're the one with the woman now in the bed. You look a baby over there, so. You take a youth life. You don't know the man family background, you don't know nothing. You don't know if the man have a baby soon born. You take people life like that. You say, oh no. You say, oh no. Remember, you know, boy. Your day will come. You miss a coward, boy. Because you're not bad man. You're not done. You're not top man. Because bad man, none of them there's something there. Gangster, none of them there's something there. Top man, none of them there's something there. Dan dog, none of them there's something there. You're waste, man. You're waste of time. You're waste matter. You're waste nothing. Remember, you see all my attack My attack me even cut off the HR fighting of people and find something different and put the other crack. You know what I mean? Because yo people, I don't even know how I feel. You don't know the thing of my viewers and my subscribers, but there today what's the 10th? My birthday is the 11th of November. So anytime the video drop, whether I fall in if you fall upon the 10th, same way, or if you fall upon the 11th, when you don't know the thing of people, you don't know, say, I'm a birthday time now, and a celebration, but we still a try to drop a couple video, because maybe tomorrow of the day, thing I go slow, because my wife have a big treatment for me for my birthday. She has some special things to me. Only for something, and you don't know me, I got some pictures, so me I go post picture for my story, of course. I don't know what it. If you follow me on Instagram, and I go see a couple video, so to make sure you go over Instagram and follow me, NewLink_production official, and we see thing them. When me call my wife, so she has some special things to me, people. So, who also what's so special? You know what I mean? So, when you don't know a thing, big up on yourself, and yo, me love on the people. Me respect you to the max. Me is one vlogger, and me I go telling this people. Me know me talk too much now. I just say go. You understand? Me I go telling this straight up. Me respect you. Because you see, without Uno, there wouldn't be a new link. And me I go telling that Uno special. Enough time people come link me and say, yo, new link, you don't know what you do for me. But me I go tell Uno this right now if you never know. You don't know what Uno do for me. Because without Uno give me the strength. And Uno people pushing. And if you know watch my previous videos, them people from before me just start this thing. Uno go to say it's a different thing we have here so right now. Because we learn, we build, and we get better and better. That's why I tell us that practice becomes perfect. Anything you are doing in life, don't give up. Just push yourself towards it and you will make it. You know what I mean? Push yourself, because that what me do, me not give up people. Me get a lot of criticism from people at the first. Some say me can't talk, me can't pronounce word good. A whole heap of something me get, sometimes me don't know what me I say. And which is sometimes me do make some mistakes up back then. But now people, we are get better and better. We still not better yet. But we, you know what I mean? At do we are work, and you know what I mean? So respect you know. Big up on yourself. And you don't know a thing of people. Watch me saying this up. Oh man, me gone long you know people. You know, me not like go too long, because I don't like keep my people and then get bored. But I think this one has some vibes to it. So, I hope you enjoy it. And big up on yourself. It's sad though, and rest in peace to my brother there. You don't know, to the whole family and the whole friends and everybody of this young man, rest in peace. And you don't know, this boy, yeah, you might go get it. Blessings, people. Peace.